Hi, everybody. Good afternoon. It is Monday, Martin Luther King Day, and I am coming to you to show you some steps to take to get your business registered, do a name search, and apply for an EIN number. So let's go ahead and get started. So first, what you want to do is you want to search for your business name. Every state should have a web page for you to be able to go and do this. Not only will you be searching for your state name registration, you also want to search domain, and you also want to search social media. So I'm going to go to my page here in Florida that we go to apply and register for our business. So first things first, I want to search records. Okay. If you are going to be applying for an LLC or a corporation or a partnership and trademarks, you want to do a name search here. If you will be applying for a DBA, also known as fictitious name, you're going to do a search here. Okay. They are different, so make sure you search in the respective area of what it is you're looking to register your business as. Okay, then you have general limited liability partnerships here, judgment liens, all this other stuff. Okay, so click name and type in the business name that you want. So I'm going to do mine's. Okay, click search now. It's going to take a little bit because I'm sharing my screen. All right, so as you can see here, I have an LLC and it is active. All right, I also have a trademark, which is also active here. So if you were to type in a different name that you were looking for, if it says none found, no names found, then that means that it's available to be registered with the state, okay? But you don't want to just stop there. You want to look on all channels where you would be having your business name. Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, any other ones that you guys can think of. You want to make sure that business name is available on those too, because if not, then you may have to rethink it. You don't want to have a business name and you can't even claim the business name on the social media channels. All right. Another place you want to look is domains. Do a domain search. So most people use GoDaddy.com to purchase a domain. Why can't I pull up GoDaddy.com? Hold on, let me make sure that my VPN is on. Let me turn my VPN off. Hold on just a second. Turn that off. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. So GoDaddy.com. You want to search up the domain. What is a domain? It's a web address. All right. So let's type in the web address. Now, I'm going to type in mine's. And it is taken. So that means that you cannot use this domain. Okay. Now, if you type in a domain, let's see, signit.com. Let's see, is that available? Signit.com is also taken. So you see here, you just want to make sure you do a domain search to make sure that your domain that you want to use is not taken. If it's not taken, it will let you purchase it. Okay, so that's what I mean by social media search, domain search, and going through your state and looking up a business name search. Now, we've done all of that. After you get your email saying that your business name was approved and you see that the domain is available and that it is available to register on all of the social media channels, go ahead and go to irs.gov to apply for an EIN number, okay, employer identification number. This is the number that you're going to use to open up a business banking account. And if you are signed up with any of the signing services, they have you fill out a W-9 form. This is the number you're going to put on all the W-9s instead of having your social security number used and out there, okay? So here's irs.gov. I'm going to go to the search, EIN number. Remember, applying for an EIN number is free. All right, here you go. Apply for an employer identification number. Going to click here. Okay, go ahead and read this information. Click apply online and follow the steps. After you have filled out the application and answered all of the questions that they have, you will be issued an EIN number for free. It's going to give you the option to save and download it or get it mailed to you. Go ahead and save and download it. Make sure that you keep that copy because you will not be able to retrieve your EIN number again after it's assigned. It's extremely hard to call the IRS to get this number again. They just do not have the time, okay? I hope that that helped. You guys know how to register and do a name search. Oh, well, you know, I didn't show you how to register. I just did name search. Okay. You found your name. Let's go back. Let's go back to Department of State. Or I probably should have went to Department of, okay, whatever. All right. That's not where I want to go. I want to stay on sunbiz.org. Okay. So I showed you how to do a name search. I did not show you how to register your business. I'm sorry. So at the top here, and remember this is for Florida, guys. I want to start a business, okay? Click here. It tells you what to do as well. Research, starting a business, it gives you some information. Identify your type of business where you want to decide on a structure. In this case, DBA or LLC, okay? And then you can apply online in Florida. If you don't want to form a limited liability company, which is a LLC, you can click down here and register a fictitious name or a DBA. Remember, you need to ask a professional on which one fits your needs best. Do not ask another notary. Do not ask another person who has a business if that is not a service that they provide to you, okay? Get with a professional. So here, articles of organization. You can either apply online or you can print and mail the form. I like to apply online because within a few days you will get a approval or denial. Okay. So you click this and then you're going to fill out the application. Okay. The same thing for fictitious name. In Florida, if you apply for an LLC, you have to renew every month. If you apply for a fictitious name, also known as a DBA, you will have to renew every 5 years. It is $50, and I think it's $138.75 for LLC. I think I don't remember. Let's see. Okay, here's the fees here. Oh, okay. Articles of organization, certified copy, or whatever. So it's $100, but you have to pay more to renew every year. Anywho, let's go back up here. I'm going to file LLC. Of course, I'm not going to go through with the process because I already have one. But here you can either correct your articles of organization for your LLC or file a new one. You click here, start a new filing. Oh, the system must be down today because it is a holiday. All right, so I will not be able to walk you through that, but that's how you do it. That's how you're going to apply for your LLC. Let's see how it looks for DBA. I'm going to go back. Here, register a fictitious name. Okay, it tells you what you could do here. You could follow a line, or you can print and sign it and mail it. Okay, so fictitious name registration or renewal. Click e-file now. Click register. Please read the instructions before you go ahead and just start registering, okay? Both pages, as you see, gave you the different things you need to do beforehand. All right, click accept and click begin fictitious name registration and fill out the application. All right. All right, so that is it. I showed you how to search for your business name, domain, and state. Showed you how to register your business name. And not sometimes, but for some states, you may have to also register for a business tax with your city. For Florida, I have to go to, sorry guys, that's my business phone going off. It says scam likely. I'm not sure. Let me put you guys on mute and answer this call. Hold on. Like I said, it was a scam call. Nobody even answered. So anyway, moving on. I'm trying to think, what is it? Business tax for Florida. Let's see. Forget the name of the page you go to, guys. You gotta bear with me here. Like I said, I am in Florida. Okay, this is the website you have to go to. I am in Florida, so I do have to have a local business tax as well. I have to print it and display it where I work. If you do not have a physical location, you should be at least displaying it on your website. Okay. New business applications. Okay. Online application. You go to BT Express here. In Florida, they have it really easy, guys, where you're just filling out the information, okay, as requested. So I'm clicking on business tax. Okay. Entering the name or address if you already have it registered, which I do, or you're entering in BT Express. Click here and apply. Okay. Type in my name. And this is my old business here. This is the new one. Click that. And it will give me my information here. All right. I have to pay for these. They closed my account for last year. I asked them just to remove the travel agency, but they did not. They closed the whole thing. So I have to pay for last term and for this term. Okay. As you can see, it's not that much money. $62.50 for the year, pretty much, from this period to this period. Okay. And when I pay it, then it's going to give me a form that I will display in my office for customers to see, so they know that I am registered and legit. Okay. So hopefully that helped you guys out. I'm sorry I didn't do a video of it before. I kind of just been mentioning to do it, but not actually showing you guys how to do it. And one more thing. How to search for your business on Facebook or Instagram. You're just going to type in a search and type in to see if anybody has a business name like that. Okay. If you are on a computer, like I am, you could just click the search box here and type in the name that you want for your business. All right. So my name, Bailey's Notary Services. it's going to come up because that is my business name. Pages. There you go. That's my business name. Now let's see if you were looking for something else. What about Sign It? Let's look for pages, business pages. And you have a bunch of them. All right, so Sign It Notary. Let's see, Sign It Notary Services. And we are looking for pages. That's why you keep seeing me click pages here. Sign in ID notary services, notary signing services. Up, I don't see Sign It Notary Services, guys. So it's sign it, stamp it. It look like it will be available. So that's what I mean by looking on all the social media channels to see if the business name that you have selected is available, so that you can go ahead and claim it. Once you see the business name is available, claim it immediately. Go ahead and claim it. Get your domain. Well, the domain is taken. So let me see. Hold on. Sign It Notary Services.com. It's taken. So see, that's why I say you got to be careful. So yeah, it's available on social media, but it's not available for domain. .net is, but .com is not. Okay. What about Sign It Notary Services LLC? Let's see if that's available. It's available, guys. Sign It Notary Services LLC.com is available. You see what I mean? So if it's available, click make it yours and you're going to pay for it. All right. So I hope that this was a helpful video for you guys. Remember, if you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so that you can be notified of any new videos that I do. Talk to you guys later. Bye.